Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein-rich recipe ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this meal more protein-rich, I'm using green mung sprouts. So this is 5-day-old green mung sprout. If you would like to know how to make mung sprouts, please let me know in the comments so that I can make a separate video on this. I'm heating my kadai with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood-pressed groundnut oil. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to include wood-pressed oils in your diet for your better health. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in some spices. I have a small piece of cinnamon, half of a mace, 3 cardamoms and 3 cloves. Lightly crushing the cinnamon into small piece and adding in. Add in the lightly crushed cardamom, half of the mace, 3 cloves. Give it a light stir so that the flavor of the spices are infused into the oil. Next, I'm adding in 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Lightly saute the onion until it starts to turn transparent. Once the onions are transparent and starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 2 green chilies. Green chilies I have slit lengthwise halfway through. I'm adding in 1/3 cup of frozen green peas. You can also use fresh green peas instead. Give it a good stir. Add in a splash of structured water. Cover and allow the peas to get cooked on low flame. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Next, I'm adding in half cup sprouted mung dal, and this is 5-day-old sprouted mung dal. Give it a quick stir. To make it more nutrient dense, I'm adding in 1 cup of palak leaves. Give it a good stir. Cover for about a minute so that the palak leaves are lightly cooked and gets wilted. About a minute later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. And now the palak leaves are lightly wilted and cooked. I always prefer to use traditional varieties of rice in my recipes. However, you can use cooked basmati rice or any rice of your choice. This particular Illupai rice is hand pound. Hence, the nutritional value is retained. Into this, I'm adding in 1 cup of cooked Illupai chemba rice. Give it a good stir. I boiled the rice with a little bit of salt, and once the rice is cooked, I strained the rice, and that's what makes this rice non-sticky. The best thing about cooked rice which has been stored in the refrigerator, which is what I did with this rice. So when you store it in the refrigerator overnight, the rice becomes a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps in good gut health and also helps in weight loss. Once everything is nicely mixed, turn off the flame and squeeze in half a lemon. When you add lemon juice to this rice recipe, the nutrients in palak will get easily absorbed into your body, which makes this rice more nutrient dense. Give it a good stir and transfer this to a bowl. You can enjoy this healthy, protein and fiber-rich palak rice with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy high protein palak rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.